Hi, and welcome back to another one of our Facebook tutorials. I'm Tim Brady, and today we are talking about FBML, Facebook Markup Language. A lot of people have written and asked me about our bed and breakfast fan page, landing page, which is this welcome page that you see here, as well as the fan-only deal page that we have in tabs. Now, what we're doing there is we are using FBML, an FBML application from Facebook, and some simple HTML to create a page containing anything that we want. We're going to add this application to another one of our pages, the iHeartBnB page, and show you the steps involved in case you want to do it for your own fan page. So the quickest way to get to that application is just to FBML, to search FBML up here in the Facebook search box. And we're going to look at applications. And this is the application that we're going to need, this static FBML Facebook application. You'll see that it was developed by Facebook, which means that it's part of their core operating system. And to install it, we're going to click on it and look at the page. Just gives you a little bit of the synopsis to add functionality, yada yada. Adds a box to your page where you can render HTML or FBML for enhanced customization. And to use it, we're going to click Add to My Page. And then here we're going to select the page we want to add it to. iHeartBnBs is the page I want to add it to, and I'm going to hit Close. And then we're going to go and look at our page. And here we're going to hit Edit Page. And then you're going to see in the applications we have a new application, FBML. If we look at the page itself, you'll see nothing changed yet. But we do have FBML available as a tab we can add. We don't want to add that tab quite yet because obviously there's no content in there. So we're going to go to the FBML application. Not that way. We're going to do it this way. Click on the little pencil icon, and we're going to go to Application Settings. Make sure that it's added to a box. It's available for a tab, and that's where we're going to put it ultimately, as its own tab. But we need to create the HTML first, and we'll do that here in Edit. Basically, you get a blank box where you have the opportunity to put anything you want that's HTML encoded. Now, there's a lot more we can do with this using the FBML functions, and we'll talk about that in a different, more advanced episode, but this is the basic episode. So we're just going to show you some HTML code, which I will just paste in there that I have created in another app. All right, now you see I have pasted in some content. Basically, hoping to start a little directory of all the Facebook fan pages of B&Bs that exist. So paste content in using standard HTML formatting. You can see here I'm just using line items like a list, a formatted list here. I'm going to give the box a title, and I'm going to say B&Bs on Facebook. And I'm going to save those changes. Now if I go back and I look at the iHeartBnBs page, it doesn't exist yet because I haven't added it to a tab, but it will show up when I look in the boxes. And you'll see here's my code, all the different states, and then the two ins are in, and then Henry's in, that I know have fan pages, just quickly to throw up there, and we're going to edit all that. So there's a simple way to make a custom tab on your Facebook fan page. Now, we haven't really made it a tab yet because it still just shows under boxes, but making it a tab, very easy. We're going to go back to the edit screen where we were. And you see now B&Bs on Facebook precedes the FBML in the label. and we can hit Application Settings and add it as a tab. And I'm going to take it out of the box because I just don't like the box personally. Now when I go back and I look at the that page again, I see the tab up here. Now clearly there's a little formatting issue in the title, probably because I have an apostrophe, but you see that it shows all the ins in there. You can use standard tags inside of your HTML, the H1 tag, etc., to make some pre-formatted font choices. But that's the basics of creating a tab. Now I'll go in and I'm gonna fix that apostrophe, and we'll be all set. And then you can check it out at facebook.com/BANDBS and become a fan if you're not already. Check us out at 40putneyroad.com or on Facebook. You can become a friend. Facebook.com/Tim Brady. I'll see you next time. We talk more about using Facebook to promote your small business.